In our lives, there are many moments when we only see what we don't have. We keep saying to ourselves, "This is missing, that is missing." While complaining like this, we forget to notice the blessings we already have. Think about it carefully for a moment. If a tree has no fruit, do we really call it useless? What about its cool shade, its shelter, and the fresh air it gives us? Aren't these blessings too, even without fruit? Today's story is about such a way of thinking, a perspective that has the power to change your life. It shows how lack of gratitude can blind us, and how one positive thought can turn hardships into blessings. Long ago, when people traveled great distances on horseback, there lived two young men named Ethan and Lucas. They worked in a big city, far away from their village. 3 long years passed, and their hearts longed for home. Their families were waiting for them with hope and love. Ethan was calm and patient by nature. Lucas, on the other hand, was bold and quick-tempered. One day, their carriage driver refused to cross the forest. Left with no choice, they began their journey on foot. They walked fast, hoping to cross before darkness fell. The forest was filled with dangerous hunters' traps. Step by step, they moved carefully, avoiding every danger. Their bodies grew tired, and their throats became dry with thirst. Yet the thought of home pushed them forward. Soon they reached a fast-flowing river. The bridge was gone, washed away by heavy rain. After discussion, they decided to swim across. With great effort, they reached the other side safely. But their water bottle was swept away by the muddy current. Ethan thanked God for their safety and changed his clothes. Lucas, however, grew angrier and more frustrated. Now they had a long road ahead with no water at all. Suddenly, heavy rain began to pour down. They ran desperately, searching for shelter. In the forest, they found a small hunter's hut. There they stayed safe and collected rainwater. Lucas complained, "What a terrible journey this is. When will we ever reach home?" he said in anger. After the rain stopped, they resumed their walk. Villages appeared in the distance as the forest ended, but the sun burned fiercely and hunger struck hard. Finally, they rested under a huge, shady tree. Exhausted, they ate their last food and lay down. Lucas complained again, calling the fruitless tree useless. Ethan stayed silent, thinking deeply. Suddenly, a calm and deep voice spoke from the tree. The tree explained its purpose and its hidden blessings. Lucas apologized, his eyes filled with regret and humility. From that day, they learned that gratitude turns life into meaning.
If you enjoyed these stories, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your one comment inspires me to create better stories. Thank you everyone for giving so much love. We'll meet again with a new story.